Hi, welcome to Zyxel webinar. My name is Stephen Huang, Product Line Manager of Nebula Cloud Networking Solution. Today I'm going to talk about a basic but important topic, the values that Nebula Cloud Networking will bring to you. Why I choose this subject? The first reason is, recently whenever I met the new customers or channel partners, this is the most common and often the first question that they asked me. Even after we have launched Nebula Cloud Networking Solution for 2 years. Obviously, people do care the things they are going to buy or sell, or the trends they are going to pursue. The second reason is, whereas value means the benefit they get over the cost they pay. So by taking this chance, I could explain Nebula Cloud Networking's features, advantages, and benefits to you, no matter you are a company's IT administrator, or a network product reseller, or system integrator, or managed service provider. Before we get into the details of the subject, let me quickly recap what is Nebula Cloud Networking and what it has. Just like Salesforce.com provides CRM, or Microsoft Office 365 provides Office and Exchange Mail, software as a service or SaaS. Nebula Cloud Networking Solution is Zyxel's answer of network as a service, or say networking and management software as a service in commercial or SMB customer segment. It comprises Nebula Control Center or NCC, a series of networking control, management, security services hosted on AWS or Amazon Web Service, which is trusted by leading companies worldwide. And Nebula Mobile, the mobile apps version of NCC, with light networking management services on your palm. Nebula Wireless Access Points, Nebula Switch, and the Nebula Security Gateway. Okay then, now when we talk about IT technology investment, we think about spending. No exception for networking. That's the fact. Although quite often we will emphasize how much productivity we will gain from IT spending to justify the investments for companies' top management. But anyways, so saving the cost makes the most direct and positive impact for any networking investment. But cost is never just about purchase price. Networking as a long-term investment item, we need to measure by TCO, or total cost of ownership, which equals to CAPEX, or capital expenditure, plus OPEX, operation expenditure. And just as this iceberg picture shows, according to Gartner, they estimate that 80% of total cost occurs after the initial purchase. So the greatest potential to reduce TCO lies with OPEX on time and effort saving. The remaining 20% is from CAPEX reduction on money saving. What makes Nebula save your money, time and effort? It is advanced cloud technology with simplicity, efficiency, reliability, and visibility to make your dream networking solution come true. Let me tell you how it achieves this. Wait, did I mention it's free? We all know the project life cycle of a new IT deployment. Again, no exception for networking. You must go through 4 phases, each with some required steps. So phase 1, it's plan phase with training, demo, learning, etc. Phase 2, design phase with technology assessment, POC or proof of concept, roadmap evaluation. Phase 3, implement phase with staging, integration, delivery, training. Phase 4, operate phase with maintenance, monitoring, IT staffing requirement. And Nebula Cloud Networking provides 5 functionality solutions to let you go through these 4 phases and the required steps effectively. They are: number 1, unified, scalable, anytime and anywhere control and management. Number 2, zero-touch provisioning. Number 3, intuitive and automated management functions, which includes configure, update, monitor, and alert. Number 4, proactive troubleshooting tools, including map and flow, topology, live tool, and report. And number 5, centralized, multi-level, multi-site, multi-tenant management. At plan and design phase, Nebula's first feature, unified, scalable, anytime and anywhere control and management, provides the benefit of simplicity to make both reseller and customer easy to start and expand their networks. And this is money saving. Why? Let's compare with a typical multi-site networking and management. First, let's take wireless example. Number 1, for a remote and small office without network-based VPN, you may need someone on site using a laptop console or web browser or AP vendor's utility tool to configure and manage standalone or fat APs. Number 2, for headquarters in general, you will have hardware or software AP controller to help control and manage your wireless networks. Number 3, at branch offices, to prevent VPN from disconnected and to be more integrated, you may use UTM with AP controller function instead of using headquarters AP controller or a smaller hardware or software AP controller at branch. Number 4, at small home office, a VPN teleworker gateway built-in wireless AP may be a better and cost-effective solution. However, you need to log in to Gateway to configure and manage the wireless AP, which in general, the function and interface of it is quite different from standalone AP and AP controller. So you can see there are 4 options in total. To control and manage different sizes wireless network, it ain't be simple nor easy. Not mention the other network equipment management you will need. Number 5, NMS for device command management purpose. But again, the site without VPN will be left behind as protocol limitation. Security management and identity management for user or guest authentication. On the other hand, if you are using Nebula Cloud Networking with unified, scalable, anytime and anywhere control and management feature, you only need one solution to purchase and learn. You don't need additional data center infrastructure, hardware controller or management devices, software, servers, storage. No need at all, now or in the future. And it's on demand, so you further reduce the investment and the risk of waste. This is huge in contrast of some other vendors who are using free software controller but claiming private or public cloud flexibility, which is actually hosted and managed totally on your own. To be frank, if you are a SMB or smaller reseller or MSP without sufficient budget, then Bless you. At implement phase, Nebula's second feature, zero-touch provisioning, provides the benefit of efficiency to make reseller easy to deploy and to make customer time to service with their networks, and this is time saving. One of the best things is the staging step is no longer required, and you can pre-configure Nebula devices without unboxing them. The first step of deployment is to register your device. You can do it via NCC or via Nebula Mobile, either entering the serial number and MAC address or scanning the QR code on the brown box. Secondly, configure the settings via intuitive browser or apps interface for wireless networks, then assign them to site. All the devices at the same location will apply the same configuration at once. Still afraid where to start and what to follow? No worry, we prepare a guided, friendly wizard for you. All these make your network up and running in minutes, not hours. It's fast, isn't it? Before go on to the third step, that's installation. Worrying if any preparation required with existing network? No need. All Nebula devices built-in netconf call home function. So most of the time you don't need to reconfigure your firewall, as it is inside to outside direction traffic. The control and the management traffic is encrypted in netconf tunnel, so you don't need to build VPN either. It's easy and saving, right? And it's so easy and worry-free for the third step, installation. So you can even deliver the devices to sites directly and let the local staff or installation technician to plug in the internet and power to make it work. Hence, it eliminates the truck rolls to save your money as well as save the time. Again, in contrast, for those who claiming free software cloud controller vendors, when doing multi-site deployment, they either need to pre-configure the devices to find the central software controller through utility software or apps on site, or through DHCP or DNS reconfiguration. If you are a SMB or smaller reseller or MSP without rich professional tools, then bless you. At operate phase, Nebula's third to fifth feature, intuitive and automated management functions, proactive troubleshooting tools, centralized multi-level, multi-site, multi-tenant management, provides the benefit of reliability and visibility to make resellers easy to maintain, operate, and support, and to make customer peace of mind with their networks. And this is effort saving. When talking about reliability, hardware design of Nebula devices plays a key role in Nebula. Take our NAP203 access point as an example. We use solid capacitor to ensure longevity of the device. Our RF first design policy drives ourselves to use better and extra components like premium high power amplifier and per-chain anti-noise shield, which commit to high performance and a reliable wireless connection, delivering increased coverage and improved connection speeds for every client. On the contrary, a lot of SMB networking vendors, to save the cost, they use cheap components and waive the robust design. If you are SMB or smaller reseller or MSP without sufficient resources, then bless you. At software side, when doing maintenance, you could update your configuration safely as we build in logs to trace any changes. Also, the misconfiguration protection technology of Nebula will auto-recover the wrong VLAN or IP address settings into device, which further enhance the stability and prevent your truck rolls. Another regular but time-consuming task when doing network maintenance is device firmware update. With scheduling function in place, you can do it automatically by customer's schedule. Oh, I will reveal the meaning of Pro later. No matter you want to do the real-time or historical monitoring to make sure the health and usage of your or your customers' networks, Nebula gives you a single pane of glass dashboard interface. By the way, a lot of SMB cloud networking followers only support multi-site management. But if you are a MSP or a holding group IT admin, and you would like to manage across tenants or customers or organizations, they either don't have the capability or you have to pay additional license charge to have it. On the other hand, Nebula builds in multi-tenant support by default when we launch it. That's another evidence of simplicity. Any problems happen when you are away or on the road? No worry. Nebula sends real-time alert if any device or connection offline via email or smartphone notification to let you get everything under control. Nebula includes powerful remote troubleshooting tools that are easy to access and understand. These include map and floor plan, dynamic network topology, cable testing, and many other live tools, all of which significantly enhance multi-site troubleshooting, even in locations where IT is not present. Last but not least, for the visibility of Nebula, is a summary report that provides network device, clients, and applications access and usage statistics and top ranking report, which also can be delivered to your customers or managers by regular schedule basis. All these reliability and visibility save your effort, I guaranteed. In summary, with Nebula, you do or get much more with very less. I believe you will feel easy to sell if you are a reseller or MSP, and will also feel very easy to buy if you are an end customer. Let me help you recap. Firstly, Nebula is using true and advanced cloud technology with ease of use introduced earlier. Secondly, we provide 2 feature sets level, basic and professional, and 3 types of license options, free, professional pack, and professional lifetime pack, to fit your or your customer needs. Nebula license free with basic feature set is suitable for prosumer or micro to small business, though it's totally free but leading as number 1, without hardware quantity limit of a network. Number 2, can manage a network via both apps and a cloud web portal. Number 3, with advanced management features such as multi-tenant MSP portal built in. And number 4, with advanced networking features such as PoE scheduling and fast roaming included when compared to the followers. While Nebula Professional Pack and Professional Lifetime Pack provides a year-long states and log, more granular operational management and report, and more advanced networking features without any restriction. This is what Pro is being highlighted in the previous slides. Pro Pack is annual OPEX-based but Professional Lifetime Pack is perpetual CAPEX based, which is unique in SaaS cloud world. These innovation and flexibility licensing just proves that Zyxel is always thinking from you or your customer's perspective, not ours. Lastly, unlike those followers have just started, we provide a complete and comprehensive hardware portfolio for you to choose from. There are 3 types of networking solution. For wireless AP, we have 2 families, 7 models. Hybrid series here means with traditional standalone or Nebula dual mode flexibility. NAP series means native Nebula mode only, with 3 years professional pack license bundled. For switch, 2 families, 14 models. For security gateway, 3 models, and the number 4 model is coming soon. So 24 models for now in total. And these 3 points show Nebula's advantages over the other SMB networking vendors. Let's hear what our customers said. The first one is a reseller. Resort Internet is a hotel hospitality MSP headquartered in Colorado, providing Wi-Fi services to 30,000 plus end users of hotel, condominium complex, outdoor venues throughout the western United States. The challenge of them is to find an affordable, high-performance solution in this highly competitive market. The benefits they receive from Nebula are more or less aligned with what I just presented. Finally, their sales director proved that Nebula helps keep the cost low without losing any features of the more expensive solutions, so they get the best of both worlds. This is quite matched with one of our recent studies for MSP. If they use Nebula instead of the legacy networking and management solution just for 3 years, they will save OPEX up to 66%. 66. The second one is a hotel customer who has no IT networking administrator. Garda Hotel is a 4-star, 62-room hotel near Lake Garda, the largest lake in Italy. Its panoramic views of the lake make it popular for vacations. Their key challenges are to integrate the new Wi-Fi infrastructure into existing network and to deliver a convenient Wi-Fi solution requiring little to no management by hotel staff. At the end, and best of all, the day-to-day monitoring and management of Nebula NAP series is contracted out to the system integrator, so hotel staff can be hands-free to focus on their real duties. The last one is a clinic customer who has IT administrator, though limited. Brass Center Limited is a non-state medical center that conducts blood and plasma collection, which has 4 branches, all located in northern Moravia, Czech Republic. They would like to refresh their wireless network to provide contemporary, reliable, and secure Wi-Fi internet connectivity for patients, guests, and staff. At the same time, the solution must be centrally managed for easy administration due to the lack of a dedicated IT networking staff and resources. Their IT administrator says, Nebula's remote configuration and central monitoring of individual devices, including reports, are the biggest advantages for us. These 3 testimonials prove Zyxel Nebula Cloud Networking Solution, which brings you simplicity, efficiency, reliability, and visibility, is your best partner of saving TCO. And this wraps things up. So please come to discuss with us on Zyxel Business Forum, Nebula community, and provide your feedback. I want to thank you for spending the time watching the webinar. Hope to hear you soon.